You ready? Hi, I'm Pete Hurley with MyStage, the world's lightest and easiest portable stage. Most stages are big and heavy, about 100 pounds, and 4x4 is a standard size and about the smallest, sometimes 4x8. That's just too big for one person to carry, transport, and set up. That's why we came up with MyStage. It's a 4x4 deck that weighs only 45 pounds, and in fact, I can pick it up with one finger. Not too many stages you can pick up with one finger. It folds in half to 2 foot by 4 foot, so it fits in pretty much any vehicle. If you want to pan over and show the gear bag, it fits into this gear bag when it's folded in half. I can show you, you just simply slide this slot across here and on that side, and it folds in half, sort of like a folding table, or it turns into a 2 foot by 4 foot suitcase. In fact, every MyStage comes with a shoulder strap so you can throw it over your shoulder. Simply pop the legs out and put them in place, and you're done. It's PE certified to hold 3,500 pounds. The legs are numbered, so you don't have to count the holes. They're extendable legs, so it's easy to make it flat and level on uneven surfaces. It's all aluminum, so it's great outdoors. It doesn't rust. You can leave it out in the rain, and of course indoors. And fast and easy to make it level, anywhere from 17 inches all the way up to 28 inches. We have big legs that go up to 3 feet and little legs that cover the 8 and 10 inch gap. We also have wheels because it's a popular camera operator riser. Because of the stability, again, I said it holds 3,500 pounds, so it makes a great camera operator riser, and you can put it on wheels and wheel the whole thing around. So again, I'm Pete with MyStage. Our website is mystagecorp.com. Please check us out. Thank you.